Hey everybody, Jeremy here, back again with another video about the Toshiba Convection microwave oven. So the first video I did about this, I made a pretty traditional meatloaf from scratch and I cooked it in here and it turned out pretty good. I was very happy with it. But I was also curious to find out how it handles some pretty traditional frozen foods and some softer pastries. So I went out and I got a couple of these Red Baron deep dish little mini pizzas. I think these are pretty good. And I'm just gonna throw it in there and I'm gonna see how it turns out. Just following the instructions that's right here on the box. We're gonna bake it for about 21 minutes at 375 degrees. And then when that's done, I'm also going to be making a few of these Martha White blueberry cheesecake muffins. And this is just really simple stuff right off the shelf. All I have to do is add milk and then I'm gonna put it inside of a muffin tin, follow the instructions on the bag, and we're gonna see how this baby bakes them in the end. So let's get started. First thing I gotta do is preheat this thing, but I also wanna let you know that I am using this lower rack here. Is one of the two racks that come with this, and I'm using the one that's closer to the base. So let's start the preheating process. I'm gonna hit convection, 375 degrees, and hit start twice. Really simple, that's all there is to it. And now we just have to wait for it to preheat. So as it's preheating, you see that little bar right there? Since it just started, it's only one bar, but as it gets hotter and hotter, more and more bars are going to appear. So by the time it fills this entire line, that's how we're going to know that it's done preheating. And then it's also going to beep twice to let us know that it's done too. So if you got one of these, or if you're planning on getting one of these, try not to stray too far because you're going to need to hear those two beeps. All right, preheating is done. See how those bars are lined up? So now we just have to open it up, and I'm going to grab these two pizzas and set them down right here on this tray. It's a little bit of a sizzle going on right now. And you see, they both fit on there fine enough. So we're going to close this up, and automatically we can set our time. So 21 minutes, right? It remembers that we're on convection, and start. That's 21 minutes. Let's take a look at the pizza. Yep, that's looking done to me. So yeah, like I said, this pizza turned out pretty good, and the crust is nice and crunchy. Good. All right, so that's a win. Next, we need to try out some of these blueberry cheesecake muffins. So now we're going to bake these muffins. All I did was mix up the batter with a half a cup of milk. And my wife got these little cupcake liners that she insisted I use when I do this. So we're going to use them and see how it turns out. And the convection microwave oven is already done preheating at 400 degrees. So we're going to pop these in for 15 minutes and see how they turn out. These muffins are now done. I did have to add 3 more minutes to the cycle, so it ended up taking 18 minutes instead of 15 minutes. I just wanted them to be more brown on top, but they smell delightful. So I'm gonna take a bite of one of these and, you know, just make sure that they're cooked all the way through in the middle. Let's go with this one here. Yeah, it really was a good idea to have these liners. All right, peel that off. All right, let's take a bite. They're really hot. They are cooked all the way through. And these are pretty good. It's a nice treat. So I'm really digging this convection microwave oven so far. It's managed to take care of everything that I've thrown at it with no problems at all. It's got a great look. And as I said before, you don't have to heat up your home in order to get this thing working. So yeah. Good muffins, good oven, good pizza, good times. I like it. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching this quick little video. And if I decide to make some more stuff inside of this convection microwave oven, you can look forward to more videos about that. So until next time, I'm Jeremy, and I will talk to you later.